Alright, this is the last part of this mini series. As you might know, this video is all about little details on the dress. So without wasting any time, let's start. Alright, as you can see, this is what I made in the last part. So now I'm gonna add very tiny detail on the sleeves. It's very easy, by the way. So I draw a rectangle and then I saw them with the internal line of the sleeve and simulate. And then I copied that and saw it with the upper one. And because it's very small, so reduce the particle distance to 3 or 4, even 2. Don't worry, it will not hit your performance. Make it very small and it looks great. When one side is done, copy that into the other side. Now same kind of detail on the edge. But before that, I select the line, then offset as internal line, maybe 8. And then I draw another line and then select the previous line, right click, add point to intersection. So there will be a point where these lines meet. And then select the bottom line and hit delete. I only did this because I don't want this line so big. Now select these 2 points and merge them. Now select these 4 lines and trace as a pattern and do the exact same thing with this side. Now sew them together, select the traced pattern and hit superimpose under. And yeah, one more thing. You don't see myself doing the superimpose over or under because I assign them as shortcuts. And simulate and you can see amazing effect on the edge. Alright, now you know how to make the edge even better. So do the exact same thing on the back. Now on the chest area, this I made in the first video. Now I'm gonna add a big rectangle and sew them with this internal line. You already know the process. Just superimpose over, then sew, then reduce the particle distance and simulate. Great. And exact same thing on this edge. I guess you already know how to make this. Super easy, right? Just rectangle, lower particle distance, sew and simulate. It's the same thing. So if you really understand, you can manage to make this perfect. So with this, it really looks amazing in my opinion. And one more thing, I skip the bow part, I know, because it's already on the YouTube. And I don't want to make something that is already, on the YouTube. So just search how to make a bow tie. It's super simple. Just you can make it in 10 minutes and in Marvelous Designer. And one more thing. If you're really following me, first of all, thank you so much. And second of all, I'd be very, very glad to see your art. Just share it. It will be awesome. So this is all I can show you in this mini series. I hope it is helpful for you. I know it's very short, but I also like to keep them short. And this video is really, really short because short is digestible. Alright, so that is the end of this mini series. I hope this series helps you. I'll be very glad to see your comment. So do comment, do like, whatever you want to do. And I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Until then, stay safe, happy simulating. Bye. Yeah, goodbye.